Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video and tutorial on this look right here, and I did say I was going to bring you a wintry makeup tutorial, and I thought I'd really like to work with some greens and like different kind of colours. I feel like red is too much associated with Christmas and Halloween, so I think like green is really nice to just incorporate into a neutral makeup look. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I show you everything that I use on my eyes, including these pigments here, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so firstly I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics, it's my Raye palette, and I've not really used this palette much, but I do really like the formula and the consistency, and the pigmentation in these colours are really nice actually. I got this like at TK Maxx discounted, but it is such a really nice palette, so if you're thinking about going for it, then I would definitely recommend. So I'm going to go in with Bark, and it's like medium brown, it's quite a warm brown, but I'm just going to go in with an M506 brush and go into the crease with that. And I don't really want this look to be too green or too brown, so I just kind of want it in the middle and it being kind of like a foresty chocolate brown, chocolate look. Next I'm going into cacao, or cocoa, no it's cacao, yeah. I'm going into cacao with the same brush, the M506 brush, and I'm just going to go over top of that and slightly blend that as well. Okay, so now that we have got our shape, I'm going to go in with a green, and I'm going to go in with Ambitious, which is this kind of like foresty green, and I'm taking a Morphe x Nikita N6 brush, and it's like a pencil kind of brush, and this will go over top of the brown. Now I'm going in with a P. Louise brush, and this is a 117 brush, and I'm going to go into Ambitious as well with this brush, just to give it more of a blend. So it looks a little crazy now, but we're just going to start blending that out, and it'll look a bit better once it's blended. So now we're going to blend that out with this light brown here. It is called Brick. I'm going to use a Morphe X Nikita N3 brush, and this is a slightly fluffier brush, it's not too dome shaped, and yeah, I'm going in with Brick to blend that out. So I'm also going in with the shade Ibiza from the Sample Beauty Painters palette, and I'm using the P. Louise 117 again, and I'm just going over top of everything that we blended just to have that green showing through, but it's not too strong I feel, and we've still got some of the brown over that as well. As I've mentioned in other videos, I do have 10% off for Sample Beauty. Anything Sample Beauty that you want to purchase, I do have a 10% off code, which is via makeup, and I'll leave it down here if you want to purchase anything. You don't need to, but I just like to mention that because, I don't know, I've got it, and then you can use it if you want to. I would always want a discount code personally if I wanted to buy something, so yeah, I've got 10% off for Sample Beauty. I highly recommend their products as well, so that's that. Now I'm going in with my Vaseline Aloe Vera, and I'm going in with another Jessup Beauty MUL 17 brush, and it's just like a carving brush, and I like to dip this into Vaseline and cut my crease with this. So this is a P. Louise trick that all makeup artists are using right now, just to carve out your crease. So I like to use this just to carve out my crease, and I really like to do half cut creases with this. And now I'm going to go in with a cotton bud like that and go over where we've put the Vaseline, just to get rid of the Vaseline, just so when we put our concealer down or glitter base down, it's like a blank canvas. So it looks quite weird just now, but we're going to now put concealer back down onto the lid, and I'm going to be using a P. Louise Acid Rain cut crease brush just to do that. And I'm just now carving out the crease with the concealer, and I'm using Makeup Revolution Concealing Hydrate Concealer. So now I'm going back into Ibiza with the P. Louise 117, and I'm going to just tap it in on the outer corner of the eyelid, and I'm just kind of packing that on here. So this is going to blend into the pigments that we're going to put on the lid, on the inner portion. So I've just popped that on with the same Jessup Beauty MUL 17 brush, and I've put this all over my lids now, so it's going to be tacky. So now I'm going to go in with the Peaches and Cream Snakebite pigment, and it kind of looks like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite an olivey gold green, so I'm going to be putting that onto the middle portion of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Gatsby from Peaches and Cream as well, and this is like a pure gold, but it's not too gold, it's in between, I would say, like a gold and a silver pigment. It's just a really, really nice, like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's quite like, it's not too like 24 karat gold, if you get what I mean, but you'll just see like how nice that is. And I'm just putting that on the inner corner, overlapping where we've put I think it was Snakebite that I used. So now I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'll come back and put lashes on and do the finishing touches to this look, and yeah. Okay, so for lashes, I use the Pound Lashes in the style Bombshell. I absolutely love these because they're so fluffy and like just you can see what is behind them even though they're quite full. I think they're not too full, not too thin, so that is something that I really like. So the style Bombshell, I do have a code for Pound Lashes as well. They seen my last video about the Pound Lashes video that I did, and they decided to give me a 10% discount code for you all. So I am affiliated with Pound Lashes now, but the last video I made about Pound Lashes, like, I was honestly amazed by Pound Lashes, and I genuinely love these lashes. Like, it's not because I have a code, but I did a video already on Pound Lashes and they decided to give me a 10% off code for all of you guys, so that will be down in the description and up on the screen here. And yeah, I love these lashes, so if you want to buy any and use the 10% off, then I do get a percentage of the sale, but that's fine. Like, if depends if you want to invest in that or what, but I would 100% recommend because they're so beautiful. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I absolutely love them. So yeah, so I have done the rest of my face already, and I'm just going to tell you like certain products, like highlight what I did use. But for now, we're going to do the under eye of my eyeshadow, and we're going to go into Ibiza with the Nikita Morphe N6 brush, and it's that small pencil brush that we used before. So I'm going to use that with Ibiza in the Sample Beauty palette, and I'm just going to run that straight under my eyes, quite close to my eye, and I'm just going to run that. And this can be quite messy because we're going to blend it out with the brown anyway. And I'm just putting this from inner corner to outer corner. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics It's My Raye palette. So we're going to go into the BH Cosmetics It's My Raye palette, and we're going to go in with Brick and Bark here, and we're just going to blend the green out like we did with the top. So we're basically just mirroring what we've done on the top as well. We're also just going to take a clean brush, which is the Jessup Beauty MUL12 brush. That's just a rounded blending brush, but I'm just going to use this because it's clean, and we're just going to blend out the outer edges like so. So we're just blending out all the way around, just so we've got really soft edges and no harsh lines there. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye as well. Okay, so now I am going to go over my lips with the CC Collection liquid lipstick in Forever Velvet. So this is like a nice dark nude, I would say, and it's got like some warmth to it, so I would say it's like a warm dark nude. And now I'm also going to go over that with the CC Collection lip gloss in Pisces Girl. Some glosses is like they've not got enough pigment but they're more glossy, or they're more glossy but they've not got enough pigment. Like, I would say this is such a nice gloss as well, like it's so comfortable. So I just really like wearing this gloss. Like, you can see it's so shiny, so glossy, but it's not too much. So this is CC Collection's Pisces Girl, and I've got a 10% off code for this one as well. For all their products on the site, you can use code VM Makeup, and that'll be on the screen as well. And you can use them for any products on their site, but they're stunning. Like, you can see this, the lip products, so nice. Like, that shine, unbelievable, and they're not sticky whatsoever as well. Okay, so that is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely love all the products that I have used, and just remember, if you want to save some money on any of the products that I have shown or that I am affiliated with, then please remember to use the discount code if you want to. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like this video. I am trying to reach 300 subscribers by the end of the year. Please help me out. If you like my videos, remember to subscribe and like my videos, because it really pushes me out to the YouTube algorithm. So if you do like my videos and my channel, then please subscribe and remember to support small creators. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be coming with great content soon. I am hoping to get my new Apple Watch and iPhone and like all some new tech stuff for Christmas, so I will hopefully be showing that on my channel soon. I just don't want this channel to be too like focused on makeup, because not a lot of people like that. So I want to do a little bit of everything, but I still want to do makeup because it's kind of like, it's what I'm interested in. It's like a creative outlet for me, so I'm just hoping that other people like it as well. But I just thought I'd do a nice wintry makeup. This is more like Christmas glam, and you can incorporate greens and colour with a neutral makeup look. So I've just shown you how you can just incorporate some colour into your look, but it's subtle, like it's not too bright, it's very subtle. So I hope you enjoyed this look, and I will see you in my next video next week. Bye!